Hi you all, कैसे हो तुम्ही? So welcome to my hair transformation journey series part 1. In today's episode, I'll be covering that why I switched to nanoplastia treatment. So basically, I have in today's date, I have two treatments happening on my hair. First is smoothing, and second is nanoplastia, which I have done recently. So see, I have done 4 times smoothing. Like first time I did it on my virgin hair, and after that the periodical touch ups I had done. So total 4 times. Let's say 4 times I have done the smoothing. So this time and the latest smoothing treatment I had 6 months back. So I got like 3 to 3.5 inches, let's say new hair growth, which was around this much, and this hair growth, this length is too short for doing smoothing touch up. This was the reason, but this was not the main reason was I anyway wanted to switch to nanoplastia, and we will come to know that why I switched to nanoplastia. So stay tuned till the end of this video. See, the fact is, damage is going to happen anyway. Even when you're stepping out in the sun, your hair and skin is getting damaged, right? So when you're using heat styling tool, so damage is happening. When you are going with treatments like chemical treatments, straightening, smoothing, rebonding, etc., or even if you're going for the safer option like nanoplastia, botox, any protein treatment, damage is anyway going to happen. So what should we do in that case? So we should always try to keep that damage as minimal as possible. Okay, so it was not like I switched to nanoplastia because I had a lot of issues with smoothing कि मेरा बहुत कुछ ऐसा लॉस हो गया स्मूथनिंग के वजह से. नाउ आई हैव टू चूज समथिंग डिफरेंट. It was not at all like that. That is what I did not switch to nanoplastia because I had a lot of issues, but I did not want to wait for the actual problem occurs. So that is the reason I switched to nanoplastia. So बट nanoplastia में भी वही हो रहा है that nanoplastia में भी heat involve है, though the ingredients used in that is safer, but हीट होती है यूज़ तो डैमेज तो होगा. एंड स्मूथनिंग वी ऑल नो, स्मूथनिंग में फॉर्मेलिन इंग्रेडिएंट है, वो नाम का केमिकल है फॉर्मेलिन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस ऑल्सो दैट व्हाट इज़ फॉर्मेलिन एंड वाई स्मूथनिंग इज़ टू dangerous or any chemical hair treatment is too dangerous. So we will cover that, but in later episodes. I am having nanoplastia on my hair. It's been just 1 week, so you all guys are going to experience the same with me. I'm going to keep you posted what is happening to my hair. This is just first week, okay, and I'm fine. I do not feel anything wrong about this treatment till now. So I'll be sharing pros and cons of these hair treatments I have gone through, the hair care I have followed, and what to expect from these treatments. So stay tuned to know all the details. I hope I have answered the question I have mentioned in the title. So see you in the next one. Till then, take care. देव तुमसे परे करो.